Welcome back to Book Entertainment. So there is breaking news that is coming in, and it is that Colin Makuwele, the MK Party chief whip, has been removed from her position by MK Party, and no explanation, has been given as to why she has been removed. So Jacob Zuma has stayed true to his true colors, of reshuffling you at night. So Colin Makuwele was just removed from WhatsApp groups, no notice whatsoever. In the morning yesterday, she was just removed just like that. So there was no formal communication with her that she has been removed. And there's been a replacement already. I've forgotten the name of the guy who is replacing her. So that's who Jacob Zuma is. That's how he does these things. He just moves swiftly without you even knowing about it. And it turns out that Floyd Shivambu also learned that behavior, because he did say it himself, that he learned a lot from those few months from Jacob Zuma than he did with Malema. So that same move of just removing people from WhatsApp groups, no formal letter whatsoever, is what Floyd Shivambu also did with the deputy president. So this is who Jacob Zuma is. Just swift movement. You are removed just like that. I'll catch you guys on the next one.